Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, back up critical data to iCloud or your computer so you can restore if needed. Once backed up, make sure to disconnect from the network by enabling airplane mode. This prevents further communication. Open the app switcher and force quit any apps behaving oddly, and take note of apps installed in the last 48 hours. Now go to Settings and check battery and data usage for anomalies because those clues tell you where the problem likely lies. You next update the system to patch vulnerabilities. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and Install if available. Once updated, uninstall any unfamiliar or recently added apps by holding app icons and choosing Delete App. Make sure to remove their stored data. Then clean the browser. Open Settings, Safari, Clear History, and Website Data to remove malicious scripts or redirects. After that, restart your iPhone normally to let update. You complete the process by resetting settings first. Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset all settings. This preserves data but clears problematic configs. If problems continue, perform a factory reset and restore from a backup created before the infection to avoid reintroducing the issue. Make sure to remove the old malicious apps permanently. If you still see suspicious activity, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics. They can run deeper checks and recover your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.